Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to make easy Polaroid photos in Photoshop. Okay, the first thing you need to do, make a rectangle, right, and make the background color white. Okay, after that make a selection and add the layer mask. Then go to image and convert it. The short key is Control I and convert layer to smart object, right, and add layer mask. Then select the main layer. After that click on the selection tool and select the object. After that click on brush tool, select layer mask and remove a rectangle overlay and remove the selection. The short key is Control D. Then go to adjustment layer and take black and white and play just a little bit. After that take a brush tool, right, and remove the inner area. Then go back to main layer and take selection tool and click on select subject. Then go back to black and white and again take a brush tool and remove. After that remove the selection. The short key is Control D and this is before and this is after. Your Polaroid effect is ready. I hope you learned a lot from my video. Thanks for watching.